In an ever-changing financial environment, KOFIA is always searching for the right path forward. How can we refuel Korea's sputtering growth engine? How can we support wealth accumulation of the Korean people and help them prepare for life after retirement? How can we become the next leader of the global economy and financial market, just as how Korea's K-wave culture and semiconductor were heralded internationally? As a guide for the financial investment industry, KOFIA reinforces a transparent market order, protects investors, and promotes a healthy market. We are Korea Financial Investment Association. KOFIA has been promoting growth of the Korean capital market and financial investment industries since the beginning. In the wake of the Korean War, 5 securities companies together established Daehan Securities Dealers Association in November 1953. This marked the start of Korea's capital market and financial investment industry. In the 1960s, we laid the institutional framework for the Korean stock market through the enactment of the Securities and Exchange Act and Capital Market Promotion Act. KOFIA also strived to globalize and vitalize the capital market for the supply of post-war reconstruction capital in the 1980s. Securities Market Stability Fund was launched in 1990, and Korea Securities and Economic Research Institute and the KOSDAQ market were established within Korea Securities Dealers Association in 1992 and 1996 respectively. In 2000, we started operating the OTC Bulletin Board as a third market, which later was renamed the KOTC. Then in 2009, 3 associations representing the securities, asset management, and futures industry merged to establish the Korea Financial Investment Association under the new Capital Markets Act. KOFIA is the biggest trade association in the financial investment industry, with a diverse membership comprised of companies in the securities, asset management, futures, real estate trust, discretionary investment, and advisory sectors. Since the beginning of Korea's capital market history, KOFIA has been promoting the growth of the industry and market. There is a wide variety of financial companies operating in Korea. KOFIA built a support system specializing in each part of the industry and is committed to its #1 mission of assisting member companies. We also provide support for our members to become global leading investment banks by expanding their business models. KOFIA exists to support Korea's financial investment companies. Our #1 mission is to assist member companies through our support functions, specializing in each part of the industry, including securities, asset management, and real estate trusts sectors. Moreover, KOFIA actively works on legislative and regulatory proposals and changes on behalf of our members to expand the scope of the capital market. We are the partner and voice of Korea's financial investment companies. As a think tank for the capital market and financial investment industry, KOFIA serves as a bridge between the legislators and government and the regulatory authority and member companies. By ensuring capital flow to innovative and productive SMEs and startups, we are strengthening Korea's fundamentals and fueling economic growth. We are the policy partner of the Korean government and lawmakers. KOFIA operates the KOTC, an institutional and systemized OTC platform, to support the financing of unlisted companies. The KOTC is a transparent and safe trading platform for unlisted stocks, providing investors with new investment opportunities to discover innovative companies and help them become the next Google and Amazon. In addition, KOFIA operates the K-bond to enhance the bond trading system's stability and convenience. KOFIA is a platform aimed at making the capital market more dynamic. KOFIA's self-regulatory activities ensure member firms to maintain sound and orderly business activity. Moreover, our self-regulation committee acts as a control tower of self-regulation to help member companies adhere to rigorous standards by enhancing regulations, imposing sanctions, and conducting member inspections. KOFIA is a cornerstone for maintaining order in the financial investment industry. Our Institute of Financial Investment offers high-quality education programs tailored to the needs of financial investment companies and a changing financial environment. Also, KOFIA maintains a rigorous and highly credible system for fostering market professionals to ensure that they provide the best financial services as capital market experts. KOFIA is an investment academy seeking to foster capital market experts. KOFIA develops educational programs for retail investors available both online and offline to help them strengthen investment capability in their daily lives. Better investor knowledge will help protect investors and expand the investor base. In particular, financial investment education lights the way for our youth to become a solid foundation for the Korean economy and the financial market by improving their understanding of capital markets and financial investment from an early age. KOFIA is the lighthouse of the capital market. In the age of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, financial investment companies' digital innovation and overseas operations are not a matter of choice, but of survival. Trade protectionism and the COVID-19 crisis have led to less interaction between countries. In the new global economic environment, fintech will provide an opportunity for the companies to become a global player, overcoming language barriers and physical distance. In particular, in the post-COVID-19 era, contactless financial products and services will gain more popularity. In a rapidly changing global financial environment, we seek to help the Korean financial investment industry become a pacesetter, not a follower. KOFIA is a frontier-leading financial investment company's digital transformation and globalization. KOFIA demonstrates the power of love and care. All KOFIA employees participate in various voluntary activities and sponsorship programs to share love and care for those who are marginalized in our society. KOFIA engages in various social contribution activities with our member companies, promoting not only financial investment but also happiness.
자본시장과 금융투자 산업을 둘러싼 환경이 빠르게 변화하고 있습니다. 금융산업에 대한 규제 패러다임이 바뀌고 있고 핀테크로 대표되는 금융의 디지털 혁신이 가속화되고 있습니다. 한편으로는 혁신 성장 지원과 금융자산 증식, 또 투자자 보호 등의 측면에서 금융투자 산업에 거는 기대가 나날이 높아지고 있습니다. 금융투자협회는 이렇게 변화하는 환경 속에서 우리 금융투자회사가 국민과 기업의 동반자가 되고 대한민국을 넘어 글로벌 금융시장에서 우뚝 설 수 있도록 금융투자 산업의 변화와 혁신을 주도해 나가겠습니다.
We are always ready to take on new challenges, to become the leader of the global financial market. We will take a step further and pioneer the rapidly changing financial market. KOFIA will take the lead in forging a new path toward a more vibrant and dynamic capital market and financial investment industry. KOFIA.